everybody. Thank you so much for pressing play on my video today. My name is Sharleen from stampwithshar.com, and I'm an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator here in the US. It's Monday, which means it's Casing the Catalog Monday. Now, my inspiration I found on page 16 of the Occasions catalog. Now, if you guys haven't subscribed to my channel, you can do so by clicking that red subscribe button, or you can click that little girl that sits in the corner of your screen. Either way, subscribe to my channel, hit that little bell, and that will notify you every time I upload a video. Any of the supplies that I used in today's video, you can find them in the description below. If you click on that, that will take you on over to my online store. I do post projects every weekday to inspire you over on my website, www.stampwithshar.com. We're going to flip the camera and we're going to get creating on today's project. This is a close-up of our card that we are going to create. It is so pretty. It's got this beautiful embossed image going on there. Super pretty. So this is what we're going to create today. Now, I got my inspiration on page 16, this card here, but I kind of jazzed it up a little bit. And the suite of product that I chose to use today was from this Needlepoint Nook. Now, I loved this suite. I loved the paper, I loved the stamps, I loved it all. So this is the suite we're using today for today's card. So our card base today, we have this in Night of Navy. This piece is cut at 5.5 by 8.5, and it's scored and folded at 4 1/4. I have a piece of Whisper White, and this is for the inside of the card, and this piece measures 4 by 5 1/4. I have the Designer Series paper, and this piece is the Needlepoint Nook, and this piece is cut at 2 inches by 5.5. I went ahead and I die cut the second to largest stitched circle, and then also out of the framelits I went ahead and I die cut this piece just to save some time. So the inks I'm using today, I'll be using the Night of Navy as well as the Balmy Blue. I'll start with my inside of my card. And I chose to make this a birthday card. Now, there are a ton of really good sayings on there, so you can really turn it into, you know, any kind of card. But I have a project that I'm going to be sharing on Wednesday, and the two projects go hand in hand. So that's how come I made a birthday project. I got those little butterflies. And that's going to be the inside of our card. I got my multi-purpose liquid glue. This is always my go-to glue. I'm going to attach that on the inside of my card. Now, I went ahead and I embossed this already. And let me know in the comments if that's something you would prefer for me to do on camera, because I don't know. I enjoy doing it to save time, but if you enjoy watching me do it, I'd love to do it on camera. And then I just went ahead and I got some ink there. I stamped, let's see if I can cover it up. Turn it over. friend. Now this is a tight squeeze, but it is doable. Now I don't want to get my head in the camera, and I'm sure I'm going skew because I just didn't want to get my head in there, but it is doable, you guys. That's better. Okay, and then I'm just going to attach this piece to my circle. Attach my designer series paper to the front of the card. And you can pop this up with dimensionals, or you can just use adhesive. And I put it on an angle. And then I couldn't decide if I wanted to attach a bow or one of these wooden butterfly elements, or if I wanted to add these little enamel dots. So I couldn't decide which ones, because you know they've got the navy blue in there as well. So I couldn't decide which element I wanted to add on my card. So leave me a comment. Let me know which one you think would look best, whether you prefer the, you know, the ribbon, the wooden element, or the enamel dots. Thank you so much for watching today's video. I hope you'll join me back here on Wednesday. I have a great project to share with you that's going to go hand in hand with this card. And I hope you all have a wonderful day. Take care.